Well, Rory, this is the 1770NT. It's got the MaxiMerge XP. I guess. Give us a little history of it with you.
Bought this brand new. Planted with it every year ever since. It's an '09. Got the 3-bushel boxes and put on, well, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago. It had just the 1.6s, never had fertilizer attachment or granular or nothing on it. Before last season, for the 25 season, we put new frogs, new true vees, new rubber on the gauge wheel tires, checked all the bearings out, went through everything. Good shape's got the pneumatic downforce, which I like sometimes, like the hydraulic. Twin back, everything works good on it. The only thing is some of the wing tires are showing some cords on them because they don't follow the tractor tires. But outside of that, that's about the only thing I think you'd have to invest any money in. These 4 wing tires.
Well, usually I like to at least take a poke at the young guys my age, explain what these magic arms are up in the air and what those are used for. A lot of those guys don't know. I'm just kidding. But yes, guys, if you're still needing the marker arms, this is one of those unique units that actually still has them. She's ready to go to work, right, Rory?
Yes.